Here we have a project open in Visual Studio Code. Some changes have been made and we're ready to create a commit. But before we create it, we're going to ask GitHub Copilot to take a look at the code for some initial feedback. And we can see it has some suggestions on how the code can be improved across multiple files. Copilot Code Review catches issues like logic bugs, unclear error messages, insecure coding patterns, and even deviations from coding guidelines. And we can apply changes directly without ever leaving the context of our code editor. Copilot Code Reviews are also available on github.com. Here is the same code we wrote in a newly opened pull request. We can assign Copilot for an initial review before asking a team member or maintainer to spend their time on it. You can also assign Copilot automatically on some or all new pull requests. As a result of the review, Copilot will add comments to our pull request. As you can see here, there are comments around writing more efficient code and also around error handling. Copilot will also come in with suggestions that we can apply in one click with the Commit Suggestion button. Copilot can also use your repository's Copilot instructions file to shape how it will review. When we have responded to the feedback, we can re-request a review from Copilot for the next round of suggestions.